Action. Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and today we're talking about editing. So we're gonna do this really quickly, really quick video. And yeah, I'm gonna be using Premiere Pro, so Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. Okay, I have the computer open, and I have a video for YouTube that will come out soon. I don't know when this video is coming out, but yeah. This is Adobe Premiere Pro. We have here just pretty simple. We have our effects control tab with audio, metadata, and the source. We have our library right there. We have our timeline right here. We have our player right here. And then we have our workspaces at the top. So right now we're in the editing workspace, as you can see. So I'll zoom in, editing workspace. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to my color workspace, and now I can color grade, which means I can do stuff like this. Watch. Look at the player. Well, it's not working at the moment, but it should adjust. Let's do this. Okay, it's not working. The color should change. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, sometimes it definitely doesn't work. But yeah, color. Here, top, graphics. We have text in the graphics panel. And then we have, in our libraries panel, we have all of our footage. And then on the assembly panel, it's just an easier version of the editing workspace. So, yeah, that's that. And, okay, here we go.